variables. Yeah. What is this? These are used to provide restrictions. Okay. The scope is what within the block. The scope is within the block, guys. We can access within the block only. Okay. See once. We cannot perform pointers operations because pointers we can do address concept we can take from stack only. We cannot take from other memory location. Okay. Uh, from this location only we can get the address. From other locations we addresses we cannot access. That's why we can't write address of x when it is a register variable. Okay, Manoj. Those functions, gprec.h header file we have written, right? I'll show them. That is different, right? We have written add subtract functions. This one, man. gprec.h. gprec.h means this one. Okay, now we include hash include means this will be included in the file. Okay, guys. Auto variables are register variables. See this. What is auto variables? What is auto variable, guys? See once. Auto or local variable. Can I write int x? This is a local variable only, guys. We can write auto also. We write auto int x equals to 10. Yeah, what is auto int x equals to 10, guys? See this. What is the scope of this? To provide restrictions, guys. I declared inside a block. This is called what? Block, guys. Can I access this value? Inside block only we can access. That is for restrictions are there. Percentile x. What is x value? 10. Yes, no change. Can I access outside of the block? Printf, see this. Now I am trying to print x value, percentile x. Now what is x value, guys? This outside, right? Error it is. Once compile error, undefined symbol x. Okay, you understood the difference. Auto int x equals to 20. Now, what is scope, guys? Scope means where it is visible. Okay, we declared within this block, right? This is visible from open parenthesis to close parenthesis. What about this x? We declared within this block, right? This is visible within this local block. This is visible within this block. Clear? Understood the difference? Okay, you understood, right? Yeah. For example, this is like a boxes, guys. This is a big box, right? The big box x equals to 10, 20. This is 20. This entire box you can use it. This open parenthesis, close parenthesis. This is a big box, right? For example, if you take this local block, what we declared, this is inner box. For example, this is x value 10 is declared. This x is different. Yeah, what is the scope means within this small box scope is within this block only. This is small box. X is 10. We can access this x is 10. But 20 can you access? Yes, we can access 20 here also. 10 is not visible outside. 10 is not visible outside. 20 is visible in this block also. Here also it is visible. That is the difference. This is auto int x. This x is different. This x is the scope of this x is different. This scope of you understood the difference. Scope means within entire block we can use it. This scope means within this small box, within this local box. Write this, guys. Auto int x. Yeah, guys. Guys, next one, guys. Say the next one, guys. Auto versus static variables. Auto versus static variable. For example, difference between auto and static. Right? See this. Okay, auto versus static variable. For example, what is the difference of auto variables? What is the difference of static variable? For example, guys, now I want to print. See this. How I am printing. How many times it will be loaded? Now I have taken int x, guys, or int I. This is I value. Yeah, this loop I am going to print for I equals to, for loop I am writing, guys, for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to, I less than or equals to 5 times. I want to write 5 times I plus plus. Okay. Now see the output. Can I declare one variable? Yes, guys. Now I am declaring one variable. Auto. See this. I will write auto int a. A equals to 1, or auto int 10. Auto int a equals to 10. Print the a value. If I change to static also, what is the difference? Percentile print a value, guys. Okay. Now I am writing a plus plus. Now see this. How many times this loop will execute? 5 times, guys. What is a value, guys? A is 10. Right? Which value will be printed? Right? Yeah, what is the difference? See once, how many times it is printing? 11, 5 times it is printing 11 value. Because see this, how it executes, guys. For example, this scope of a lifetime also within this block only, guys. The lifetime also block. Auto int a. This is a block, guys. This value stored in within the block. 10, a plus plus 11. That value is printed 11. The block completed, right? Executed. This will be deleted. Okay, again I plus plus, guys. What is I plus plus? 2. 2 less than or equals to 5. It comes inside auto value. Again this will be loaded. 10. A plus plus 11. The lifetime means how long it will be stored. 11, again it is printed. Again this block is completed, right? This will be deleted. This is a lifetime, guys. How many times it will do like this? This is 5 times. Same process. Okay, now if I same, if I write static, guys, now I'm writing static, both programs, right, guys? What is static lifetime is throughout the program completion execution, right? Till program execution completion. First static in the a value 10 will be stored. Okay, a plus plus, now it is 11. 11 value will be printed. S11 is printing. Now program execution completed. Program execution not complete, this won't be deleted. This is what, which memory location? Static. This is static. Previous is stack. This is static memory location, right? Now what is I plus plus 2? Again it already it is there, right? It won't load again. It won't load again. A plus plus. This is 12. Now this value will be printed 12. Okay. Again I plus plus 3. It won't be deleted. Program execution not completed. This how many times will execute? 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? Now it prints the output is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. When it will be deleted? Program completed. Now what it is printed? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After that it come outside. Get ch completed. After that this will be deleted. Right? So after program execution this will be deleted. You understood? Now what is the output? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You understood the difference. Auto and static. Write this program, guys. Completed. Next one, guys. Next one. Yeah, completed, guys. Now next one, guys. Now one more example. You understood the difference, auto and static variable. Next one. The same function, guys. Now I want to write a void ABC. Tell me the output, guys. Now this is a function. How many times this function I am calling? See this. We have declared auto int a equals to 5, static int s equals to 5, plus plus a or a plus plus, plus plus a plus plus s. Print a and s values. Now I am going to print percentile a comma s values. Print a comma s values, guys. We are going to print a comma s values. Now I am calling 3 times, guys. ABC first time, second time ABC call, and ABC third time calling. Call ABC, ABC, and ABC. Now tell me, write this program and tell me the output, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys, what will be the output? Kiran, it's not possible. At a time, it's not possible. Yeah, what is the output, guys? This. Next one, guys. What is the output? This auto how many times? 3 times. Whenever you are calling, ABC called, auto value will be loaded. First, this A will be loaded, guys. Created automatically, destroyed automatically. S value will be stored some other memory location. This is S is 5. Plus plus A. This is 6. Plus plus S. This is 6. Print A value and S value. 6 and 6 will be printed. Completed. When our function is completed, this will be deleted. This will be deleted, guys. Now again you call ABC. That will be stored like that only. ABC, whenever you call ABC, this A value again it will be loaded. 5 plus plus A. Again static it won't load, guys. Plus plus A. This becomes 6. Plus plus S. This becomes right 7. Now what is the A and S value? 6 and 7. Now function completed, right? Auto will be deleted. Auto value will be deleted. Again auto value, right? Whenever you call ABC, auto A is 5 again. Static it won't load, only one time. Updated value is already it is there, right? It takes plus plus A. This is 6. Plus plus S. This value again incremented to 8. Now print A and S. 6 and 8. Now this function deleted, right? This A value will be deleted. It comes outside, gets H. This function also completed, gets H. Main also completed. Total program execution completed. Then it deletes this value. After program execution, that is lifetime of the static variable. You understood the difference? 66, 67, and 68. I think you understood, right? What is static variable? 66, 67, and 68. Complete. Next one. Next example for static. What are the static variable initial values? Zeros, right? Yeah. Next one. Completed. Next one, guys. Now see this static int s. What is the value of s, guys? I'm going to print s value. Print s value 0, right? This value is 0. Now I want to print s value, guys. Print s value. Printf percentile s. Now I am going to print s value. What is s, guys? S value is 0. Yes or no? No doubt. Now can I want to change the s value. Can I declare one more time? Static int s equals to 5. Is it valid? Guys, tell me, is it valid? Yeah, what is the answer, guys? Is it valid or error? Yeah, it's not error, guys. Now it takes what? How many times? N number of times you can declare. No problem. This is 5 it takes. Can I declare one more time? Now what is the answer now? Static int s equals to s. Now what is the answer, guys? Still it's a 5 only. Yeah, write this program first. We can declare any number of times. First program. Static variable we can declare any number of times, but it will load only one time. Now s value is 5, guys. Completed. Next one, guys. Next program. Yeah, guys. Now tell me same. Write this and s equals to 10. What is the answer for this? Now what is the answer? Previous one and this one. Static int s equals to 5. Static int s equals to 10. We can declare many times, guys, but we cannot initialize more than once. Error it is. Now see, this is error. Variable s is initialized more than once. This is error. Write this. We can declare many times, but we cannot initialize more than once. Are you following, guys? This is error. Okay, now? Yeah, initial values are zeros, right? If it is a character, null character. If it is string, null will be there, guys. What are the initial values of static variable? Next one, see this, guys. Static int I, static int I. Now static char c, ch, and static float f, static string, right? How to declare string? Character star s. Now I want to print those values, guys. Percentile d, percentile d, percentile f, percentile s. Which value I am going to print? Initial values of I, ch, f value and s value. Tell me the output, guys. This value. Integer I value 0 only. But null character, what is the ASCII value we are printing? That is 0. First value is 0. You know, right? This is 0. This is 0. 0, 0.0. Float value is 0 0.000. 6 zeros. You know, right? This. String value is the what? Null value. It contains null. See the outputs. Initial values are 0, 0, 0 0.00 and null value. You understood, right? The initial values of static variables. Static and that external variables also same, guys. Next, guys. You understood static variables, right? Only once these variables created. Throughout the program we can use. Next one.